Hello, boys and girls. This is Raymundo. Hi. Yes, a lot of kids I think was crying at the Lego convention because they couldn't afford Legos. It's okay. I'm going to teach you how to substitute when you don't have Legos. What to do. When you finish your toilet paper roll at home, put them together. Collect them. And you can start off with this. The first thing, this is a Luke Skywalker lightsaber. Now this probably take a couple of months to build because it's very long. All you do is squeeze the ends and connect them. But you got a lightsaber. And get your friends to play with one. And also get thumbtacks. Stick them on the end like this, and you got a car. Make a jet plane. Get a rock. Super glue it to the side. You got a Flintstone mobile. You could make a telescope out of it. I see you. Be a pirate. There's a lot of things you can do with a toilet paper roll.